Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your email address on Sweatcoin. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Sweatcoin application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account. Once signed in, from the main home page, tap on your name initial at the top left-hand corner. After you open up your insights, tap on a pencil icon at the top right, and then inside the Edit Profile tab, you will get to change your name, username, or your email address. In order to change to a different email address, go to the email address and erase your current email address, type in a new email address you would like to change to, and tap on Save Changes at the bottom. Once it's done, you have successfully changed your email address on Sweatcoin application. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.